Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the middle number out of three integer number in C language. Second technique. So first, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here, Turbo C++. I double click and take some process. And now, yes, that is open. Yes, and filter app file menu, taking new file, and here our goal, write a program to enter three integer numbers and find out middle number. So you have to know very well the middle number. So in between minimum and maximum. So in between that is middle number. So here that we can use the second technique. So we can say that without yes without logical operators. Yes, so first my previous video lecture I take the logical and or operator, but in second technique I not use the and or operator without logical operator. So let us start, and we can six case study in that. So you cannot watch video my that first we can define the x as a middle number, then y and z. So six case we have to pass, and same here like I just write for your reference. So x, y, and z. So first we can x is a middle number. So y is 10 and z is 30. And second case for x is fixed, but y is 30 and z is 10. So first we can enter this type of value at runtime from user. Next study for that is case we can act y is fixed. So here is a 10, then 20 and 30. So that is a second. We can say that y is fixed to our middle number. And same for we can here 30, y is fixed 20, and here 10. So that is our uh, checking the logic perfect or not. And next we have to take as a z is a fix. So here again I write x, then y and z. So here we can say that like x is a 10, y is 30, and z is a middle number. And next last case we can say that 30 is x, 10 is a y, and 20 is a fix for z. So six case we have to study in this technique also. So I give multi-comment line for your reference. So that is now I can start to include header file or link section. We can say that in C language. So console input output and standard input two header file is required. And now void main, that is our, and declare the three integer number because that is our input. So input, process, and output, that is my technique. So input is three number, find out middle number, that is our output, and logic. So how to find that middle number, that is our logic. So in this study we can use fourth variable, and previously I cannot use fourth variable, but here we can use if, else, and let else if ladder condition. And previous my video, if you not watch, then watch first technique with logical operator, and that time we can simple if condition use. So and that is first we can input. So enter the x value and then scan. So that is our input. So percentage %d and ampersand x. Now I copy these two line message and printf scanf function two times because y and z. So three number we have to scan from user. So here z and here z. Now that our input part is complete, now our logic part. So if first we can if condition, so x is greater than y. Just next we can say that if, then we can say that y is uh, that is x is greater than y and y is greater than z. So we can say that our middle number is a y. Yes, that here. And else if, now we can if condition, start the else if ladder condition. So if this condition is false, that meaning that is a z is greater than but y, but z is greater than, we can say that x. So that is a middle number mid, that is our x number. Yes. So this condition false, that meaning the z is greater than y, but z is greater than x. So we can say that x is a middle number. Yes. And else part here, else part last, yes, here mid. Yes, that type mistake. So that is middle. So mid, yes, that might. Okay, and z. So that if condition false, that meaning x is greater than z. So and here that x is greater than, and already that y is greater than. So here we can, if condition is true, so that is a x is greater than y, and z is greater than less than x. So we can say that z is middle number. So that is our if part is complete. Now same part, that is else, main or if, that is else part we have to write. So if, else, and in between else if ladder, that is our new second technique. So now if main or if condition is false, that meaning y is greater than x and y is we can say that less than z. So we can again middle number as a y. Yes, here again y. And else if condition, if this condition is false, that meaning z is greater than y. So z is less than x. So we can say that middle number is a x, and else part, so semicolon, and else part in both z is a middle number. So that is a z. So perfect. Let us check our logic, all six cases, and now we can print our middle number. So only one time we can. Previously I take three if condition, and that time I'll not take fourth variable, directly print the middle number. But here there are six. We can say that here we can write printf here. So there are six and six. So six statement we cannot take. One variable is better. So here only one time we can print our middle number. So we can say that middle number is, yes, and percentage d and mid, that is our, and gets yes. So I first save this file, and that is a, we can say that middle underscore number tag 2 technique 2, that is mini, and dot c. So that is a save, and let us pass out that six case. If that pass out, so our logic is perfect, otherwise some changes is required. So yes, here semicolon is needed. Yes, any other else remaining? No. So yes, here one brass is extra. Yes, here they're not needed. All that the error is taking. So now yes, there is no here. So that is some simple. So let us check. I compile, yes, and run. So first I middle as a x. So 20, 10, and 30. So x is our middle number. So yes, that perfectly. So we can directly write that not taking fourth variable. So we can also print x, y, z. In previously first technique, I used that type x, y, and z. But here we have to not define, because here we can assign the middle as a x, y, and z. So first we can define the x is a middle number. Now same x is a middle, but we can change like year 30 and year 10. So let us that pass this case or not, or logic. Yes, that pass, because that middle value is printed. So x 2 case is successfully we have to done. Now 2 case for y. So 10, 20, and 30. So yes, that is also pass out. Yes, that perfectly. Our third case. Now then we can 30, 20 is fixed y, and 10. So yes, that is also fourth case is passed. Now two case for z. So we can say that 10, then 30, and then 20. Z is middle number. So let us check. Yes, that perfectly. And last, that is a 30, then 10 and 20. So that is our Z. So yes, that perfectly. So all 6 cases we have to pass out this logic, and that is a without logical operator. And here we can use the simple if means if else condition and else if ladder, both condition we have to check. So now I can revise. So here we can input is 3 number. Yes, that you have to know very well, simple. And then our logic. So x is greater than y. Yes, and y is greater than z. So we can say that middle is a y. And if this if condition false, that meaning z is greater than y and z is greater than x. So that is middle number of x. Yes, and else is a if this condition false, that is meaning x is greater than z, and that y x is already greater than y, so we can say that middle is a z. Yes, I think you understand. And if main or if condition false, that meaning y is greater than x and y is less than z, so again that we can say that y is middle number. And if this condition false, meaning that z is greater than y and z is less than x, so we can say that x is a middle number. And else part, if this condition is false, means x is greater than z, so that we can say that y is already greater than x, so that is middle number is a z. So that is a simple if else and else if ladder, both condition we have to check at the same time. Very rare case that type of logic in our programming C. So I perfectly developed for you. So you can write this program to your C notebook. Here we can find the second technique to middle number in C language. And that type of means this is three technique. You can also find the minimum number, maximum number. Yes, with logical operator, without logical, and ternary conditional operator. So yes, if you prepare C notebook, so write this program to your C notebooks. And now I close this file. So last, that is our output, that is a middle number. So here we can use as a four variable, and previous my technique I use only 3 variable and if condition, and here we can use else if simple and else if ladder, both condition. So Alt F3 function key, I close this file and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok C Jala Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture. And any doubt for this definition or any concept in C programming, so write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing, and Hare Krishna.